Welcome to Nansen Trading on web. So similar to the mobile app, you have two ways to go about trading. The standard terminal trading, which we'll go into during this video, as well as a new way to trade introduced by Nansen, which is agentic trading, which I will cover as we move along the video. But the very first thing that I want you to pay attention to is on the left. You'll notice your Nansen embedded wallet is integrated straight into the app. It is a non-custodial wallet, fast and frictionless, and powered by Privy. Now, if you hover over it, you can see what is inside of your Nansen wallet. And of course, if you click it, it will take you to your portfolio, where you can then adjust. If I were to hit this drop down, I can select all other portfolios that I've added, but it will automatically go into your Nansen wallet. You can then hit deposit anywhere, whether it's on the portfolio itself or maybe even on the drop down. So if I hit deposit, and then you can deposit funds or fund your wallet by inputting this address or sending a QR code, and you can even copy the address like so. Now, the networks you can select are Solana and Base as of recording this video. More networks will be supported moving forward. And if you want to withdraw, you can hit withdraw. Make sure that you have MFA set up. So let me just input my code here. This is just for extra security. And then from there, you can then select your network as usual and withdraw whatever funds you have to another given wallet. Cool. Now going back into home, let's first talk about agentic trading, a new way to trade. So this is a recent update we've had, and this is where we brought over the agentic experience that you originally had on mobile app into the web app as well. Now, don't worry, none of your old token screener dashboards are gone. If you just scroll down, they're right below. And if you prefer not to see this full screen, you can just hit the little token screener toggle right here, and then you'll still be able to see your dashboards in one view while still getting the agentic experience. Now, keep in mind, as of recording this video, the Nansen AI on web is in beta mode. Now, much similar to the mobile app, if you want to actually trade, you need to turn the trade toggle on, so it's highlighted green, and you'll see down below that says trading enabled. For pro users, as of recording the video, they get 2,000 credits, while free users get 20 credits. With this bar, you can also change expert mode and fast mode, and you even have a list of prompt packs that you can check out and use if you want to do some research. And any conversation that you have, of course, you can check out your recent sessions and see all the sessions you've done in the past, so you can reference later down the road. Now, the way that agentic trading works is if you have high conviction for a given token, you can just tell it to swap 1 USD for SOL, let's say. If I press enter, now Nansen AI will function, and just give it a few seconds. It will prepare the trade, and in just a matter of seconds, it will already trigger this execution box. Now, once you have this execution box, you can check the details and you can adjust and customize accordingly. If you're happy with this, I can then just press execute. And once it executes, voila, like that, the trade is already complete. Very straightforward, super fast and frictionless way to trade on chain. Now, beyond that, if you wanted to use the terminal trading, you can, let's say you go into tokens and you find a token. Let's just use this USDG, for example. And so if I go into USDG, global dollar, and you'll notice on the right, now you have this terminal trading widget here. So if I were to hit trade USDG, then it will pull up the standard terminal trading interface. You can choose between how much percentages you want. You can change the from token and then the token that you're going to pay. And then you can also change the token you want to receive. So let's say I put SOL and I say 1 USDC for Solana. Now, if you hit this drop down, you can see the details further down below, and then just simply hit buy, and voila, in an instant, you've already made the trade. And that's how easy trading on web with Nansen has become. Now take note that you probably do want to put, if you want to add MFA security, you go into settings and you can adjust that accordingly. But really, that's all there is to it. Here's terminal trading, where you can find on token god mode for any token that's on Solana or Base as of recording this video. Or if you just want to use the agentic trading, what you could do is either go to the homepage to get the Nansen AI agent, but keep in mind, you'll notice here, Command E is the shortcut key to access the agent anywhere. So let's say even if I'm on the smart money page and I do Command E, it'll pull up the agent, and from here I can still make whatever trade. So that is Nansen trading on web using the Nansen AI. Now keep in mind, as always, this is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only, and take note of our terms and services for trading, as there are a list of countries that are restricted from using Nansen trading.